Respected Guruji, friends, I got a call at 2:30 that whether I am free at 5 o'clock in the evening today. And he said that he is speaking at a public gathering today. I said, I'll make myself free. There is no question of whether I am free or not. I'll make myself free. I'll be there sharp 5 o'clock here. I don't think मैं तो दिल की बात करने वाला हूँ, so I don't need any preparation to speak about Rishi Kumar Ji Pandya. I learnt a lot about him just 10 minutes ago about his awards and this, that. But what I am going to speak is my experiences with him, how it helped me, and with so much closeness as I have seen, and how other people who are sitting in the dais can possibly benefit out of his work. If I may say that Professor Pandya actually converts ordinary people into extraordinary people. And that is the only one-line introduction of him. I think his work in his field, wherever he goes, he makes a difference. And what a job, if everyone would envy his job. Whenever a company improves 1% efficiency, they go around the world touting about the whole thing. Here, you have made a difference to tens and thousands of people and make them much, much more productive than what they were in their lifespan. And you imagine the kind of productivity gain it is happening at a company level and even at a national level. See, you have many, many leaders, many, many communicators, many, many teachers. But his Midas touch is completely different. He is not a teacher, he is not a professor. He is not one of the 100 or one of the 1,000 or one of the lakh people you will come across who will give some academic gyan on stress management or leadership or communication. He is a man with a mission. He is determined before he takes up the job that I have to make a difference to this individual, to this class, to this auditorium, to the people who come in contact with me. And that is the core difference. I'll share my own experience. Actually, as someone introduced, I come from a vernacular medium. I got educated in Hindi medium. Even in my college, I did everything in Hindi, including accounts and finance. And I came from Raipur. When I met him first time, that was 7-8 years ago, I couldn't stand, leave alone talking. Today I am able to stand and talk to 1,000 people in this gathering. I couldn't stand. I couldn't spell one word. Because to spell a word, you have to know the word. And, so on one hand, the challenge was the English. And the other hand, the bigger challenge was the confidence and the ability to speak and the ability to communicate. And you can, I think, if I may say, I'm just one of the very small example of the difference he makes to people's life. Today, I am speaking flawlessly at the gathering of 1,000 people. I think it is only and only because of the effort which he has put behind me. And I deeply thank him from my bottom of heart. The other thing is that, there are few qualities which I have learned out of him. One thing is that, those of you who know him personally, whenever you call him and ask him, how are you, sir? He has only 3 words to say. I am fantastic. I have not met too many people in my life, in my corporate life, in my family life, in my friendship life, who can always say that I am fantastic. I have not heard. I think so. Basically, he is preaching. He is doing what he is teaching and what he is preaching. This is what life is all about. You can always be fantastic. And if you are in touch with Rishi Kumar Pandya, then you can really learn the art of being fantastic all the time in every sphere of your life. Third thing is, he is an enormous, phenomenal human being. His touch with people, I have no words to express this, you know. I have seen him, you know, dealing with a very, very small person, right from a very, very small person to an Ambani. And he has made a difference to an Ambani as well. I think, but the way he comes across to people, first, fundamentally, he is a person who is committed to make a difference to someone's life, to someone's being, to someone's productivity. There are very, very few people who are as accessible as he is after being so successful in his life. He is not driven by monetary things. He is not driven, 5 days, out of 7 days, he is hardly working, if I am not mistaken, 2 or 3 days in a week. Rest of the time, he is devoting his time to meeting people like us and guiding them and making some progress, some productivity gain, something extraordinary in individuals and human beings. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that, this is a time which all of us have got, next 1.5 to 2 hours. Let us try and make the most out of this extraordinary personality who has come and is spending 2 hours with us. I thank Rushi Bhai, Bombay Management Association and the Dalmia Institute for giving me this pleasure to speak 2 minutes about my Guruji and in a 1,000 people gathering. I thank them all. And I thank Guruji for making that little bit of extraordinary contribution in my life. Thank you very much.
I now request Professor Arya to hand over a book